In this video, we will talk about the division algorithm for polynomials. Basically, division algorithm we have already studied in chapter 1, in which we studied Euclid's division lemma and Euclid's division algorithm. The division algorithm is a relation in which we show that the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This relation we all know, but for division algorithm for polynomials, we will verify this relation for the dividend, which will be your px, divisor which will be gx, into quotient which is qx, plus remainder which is rx. That means if a polynomial px is divided by the divisor gx, then after dividing the polynomial px with gx, the relation dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder should be satisfied using this notation. Okay? So to understand this, we will use one example which will make this concept more clear. So here I am taking one example. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. So here our px is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Gx is equal to x plus 2. As in question, clearly we are given that this we have to divide by this. So this is our dividend, which is px, and this is our divided, which is your divisor, which is gx. So we are going to divide px by gx. Now children, the process of division we all have studied in class 9. In the same way, we will divide this. So for all those who have difficulty in dividing the polynomial by another polynomial, let me explain it to you. In this process, the main idea is to eliminate the term one by one till the remainder becomes 0 if we are given that gx is factor of px. And if it is not the factor, in which in that case we will receive something non-zero remainder. The remainder will not be 0, it could be something else. So here if we are dividing 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2, we will take 2x and multiply it with x plus 2. So we get 2x into x is 2x square, plus 2x into 2 is 4x, and then we will subtract, and to subtract the sign need to be changed. So as you can see here, I have used the new sign minus for both, as earlier they were plus, and the previous sign I have circled to indicate that this sign will not be used now. So now we can see here 2x square minus 2x square both cancel, and here plus 3x minus 4x gives you minus x, plus 1 is forwarded as it is. Okay. Now in next step, we have minus x here, so we will take here minus 1. So minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. So once again we will do subtraction, and for this once again the sign will change and the new sign will be circled to make sure that the old sign will not be used now. So once again minus plus cancels and we get plus 1 plus 2 is equal to plus 3. Now you can see here the degree of this remainder has become less than degree of divisor, so we cannot continue the process of division for more. That means this is the end of the division. So after dividing px by gx, we have got the quotient qx is equal to 2x minus 1 and the remainder rx is equal to plus 3. Okay. Now to verify the relation, which relation? Px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Okay, so we will put all these values in this relation and we will check whether we get LHS is equal to RHS or not. So we have Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx. Therefore, our Px is 2x square plus 3x plus 1, which is equal to Gx, which is x plus 2, into Qx, which we got 2x minus 1, plus Rx, which is 3. That implies 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to. Now if you multiply both the brackets, x into 2x minus 1 plus 2 into 2x minus 1 plus 3. Therefore, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to. Let us multiply x inside bracket. X into 2x is 2x square minus x into 1 is x plus 2 into 2x is 4x minus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3. Therefore, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 2x square minus x plus 4x is plus 3x minus 2 plus 3 is equal to plus 1. So you can see here 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So we have got both the parts, both the sides equal. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, the relation verified. Okay, so this way we can divide a polynomial by another polynomial, and after receiving quotient and remainder, we can verify this relation of Px is equal to Gx into Qx plus Rx.